Hi guys, it's me はっちゃん。Welcome to Simple and Taste Channel. 皆さんこんにちは、はっちゃんです。Do you have your favorite mom cooking? I do. My mom didn't cook that much, and actually she's not good at cooking. But only one meal I still remember was chilled chicken. That's my favorite. But unfortunately, I didn't learn how to cook it. But my tongue remembered the taste, so I will cook the taste she used to cook. I don't know how it works, but I will try it. So I will show you how to cook it. Let's get started. Iただきます。